This is Quasi JD reporting live from the Hustle Magazine studios here in Atlanta, Georgia. The #1 resource for unsigned hip-hop and R&B artists. We pave the way for independent artists to break into the music industry. And today we take you around the city to discover the hottest local events where independent artists can gain exposure. As we all know, Atlanta is the hub for up-and-coming artists. And our journey today begins at the very famous tourist attraction, the Underground Atlanta, where we talk to Kimberly Patterson, the executive producer of Bring the Noise Showcase. Enjoy. So, Miss Kimberly, the executive producer of the Bring the Noise Showcase.
I am so excited about this project. It is my baby. Basically, Bring the Noise is a showcase that I put on every first Friday and third Friday of the month. And it's a music showcase of hip-hop and R&B, or it's different genres from classical, pop, rock band, gospel, what have you. Just anyone with talent that wants to display their talent. A lot of artists that I've come in contact with, like, hey, we want our time to shine, we want our, chance to listen to our music, no one listens to our music, so that's when I felt the need to start Bringing the Noise, to start a showcase that will allow those artists to be heard. It's been a very successful showcase. I get, hundreds of different people that want to participate in the showcase, not just locally, but nationally, and and I think it's just a great thing to do. Just a few other people that I've been talking to is Kaya and David Tolliver, who used to be with Men at Large, and just trying to reach out to different celebrities to host and just to be an influence to the independent artists. They come to the show, or they can register prior to the show, and then if they're chosen, they can be on the show. And it's every first Friday and third Friday at Banana Wind, which was Banana Wind, but it's now Mardi Gras at Atlanta, Underground Atlanta. And that's 50 Upper Alabama Road. So if you're interested, you definitely can give me a call at 678-793-0054, or you can email me at info@bgentertainmentatl.com.
Join us again next week as we unravel yet another exciting venue for unsigned artists and helping in their quest to break into the music industry. From the Hustle Media Group studios here in Atlanta, Georgia, I am Quasi, and goodbye.